I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can post on Facebook Marketplace without your friends noticing. So for example, here I'm on my Facebook page here. You want to go to the Marketplace section here. And on Marketplace, you want to click on Create New Listing. Now on Create New Listing, just click on Items for Sale or Vehicle for Sale or Property for Sale or Rent, whichever one you want to sell. I'm just going to click on Item for Sale. Now just fill in all of the details here, like add your photos, your title, your price, your category, your condition, whatever. Just fill all of these out. But once you finish filling out for what you actually want to sell, the option that's most important here is hide from friends. You can see that the listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. Just turn this on. I'm pretty sure on the phone, the UI and the option is largely the same. If you want to read the fine print of what kind of thing this is, you can read it here. But you can see this is how you post on Facebook Marketplace without your friends noticing. You literally just hide it from your friends. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.